Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to solve the problem related to the tax procedure. Okay, so whenever we are going to post the invoice, so that time, so the error will become so the whatever the tax code which is not included into the tax procedure. Okay, so how to check that which tax procedure is assigned to our country code. Okay, so let's see. So this is the purchase order which is created, and the goods receipt also done for this purchase order number. Okay, so right now we are going to test okay, for going to posting the invoice or invoice verification. So let's go enter the T code for the invoicing. The T code for invoicing is a MIRO. Just enter it. Okay, after entering, system is asking for the company code. Okay, so the company code is TALH. Okay, this is the customized one, company code. So just system is asking the invoice date, enter the invoice date. Okay, whatever the PO number, just enter the PO number here. After entering the PO number, okay, so you need to select the tax here. Okay, so into the tab of tax, you can select the tax code as a V0. Okay, after that, entering the tax code in that, you need to again select here tax code. Okay, so if you're only selecting the tax code here, the system is showing the error like that. So VA is a tax procedure which is invalid. Okay, so if we can select here tax code as a V0, okay, which is a zero tax code. Just after entering that also, whatever the baseline date, you can just enter that, no issues. Click on the basic data. Okay, so whatever the balance amount right now, this signal is into the red, correct? So we need to balance this amount because we are going to pay to the vendor, correct? So just copy that amount and click into the amount tab. After entering the amount tab, check. Right now also the system is showing the some kind of a messages here. Okay, so what are that messages? Let's see. Click on the message option. So the system is showing the error like that. Tax code V0 for a country India does not exist into the procedure of tax INN. Okay, so how to solve this issue? Let's see. Okay, so close this tab, open a new screen. Okay, so firstly I will just show you what is the path for that. So you need to go for the customization, go for the SPRO, enter the T code. Okay, then click on the reference IMG. Okay, after entering that, go to the financial accounting. Okay, because tax related procedure, it will be handled by the finance team. Okay, after going to the financial accounting, click on the financial accounting global settings here. Okay, so after that, into the same node, you can find here the node called as a tax on sales and purchase. Click on that. Okay, after entering that, click on the basic settings. Okay, so firstly just follow the path, then I will tell you what is the T code for that. Okay, then here go to the assign country to the calculation procedure. If you can go and click on that, you can find all the countries, okay, where the tax procedure will be assigned to their country specific code. Okay, for the India, click on the position, enter the country code, IN for the India. So right now, the tax procedure which is assigned to our country, which is India. So TAXINN. Okay, so right now, if you want to change the tax procedure, okay, so this is the standard procedure which is created for the India. Right now, we want to change. Okay, what are the tax procedure available into that system? We can just into the same node, go for the check calculation procedure, click on that. Okay, so here click on the define procedure here. Okay, so after entering that, the screen will be open. So whatever the tax procedure set up into this system, you can find that tax procedure which are available into the system. Okay, so let's check what are the tax procedures will be available into the system. Okay, so this is the some tax procedure which is available for the India. So I'm just copying this TAXIN one here. Okay, so which is the GST India. I'm just copying this tax procedure here. Okay, and just going to assign this tax procedure to the company code, or not for the company, for the Indian country. Okay, so just again go to the same node of assign tax procedure, search on the India. Okay, and just remove the old tax procedure and paste the new one. After pasting new tax procedure, click on the save option. Our system is generating the transport request. Just save the data. Okay, so data was saved here. Okay, this is following the path. If you want to check what are the T codes for this, so go to the additional information here, click on the additional information. So system is asking for the display key. If you can click on the IMG activity, the system is showing you what are the T codes related to the any kind of a configuration. Okay, so what are the T codes here? So last 4 digit. Okay, so for assigning any kind of a tax procedure or checking the calculation procedure, so T code is a OBYZ. Okay, and how to assign the calculation procedure? So the T code is for that is a OBBG here. Okay, so in that way you can find the T codes for each and every configuration part here. Okay, so right now we have done the changes into the tax procedure. Okay, so right now we are going to do to post the invoice again. Okay, so go to the T code Miro. After entering the T code, enter the required things. Okay, then enter the PO number. Okay, after entering the PO number, check what are the taxes available here. Okay, so I'm going to enter the input tax, which is a 10% on this. Okay, just select that. Again, into the below tab, you need to change the tax. Okay, so just enter the input tax once again here. Enter the button, click on the baseline rate, no issues. Okay, after that, click on the calculate tax. Once you can enter on the calculate tax, copy the amount which is showing into the balance. Okay, so right now this is the red signal. Okay, once you can copy that amount, paste into the amount tab. Okay, it will be going to change into green. Right now there is no any error into the system. Okay, click on the simulate option. Okay, so whatever the tax we are going to pay to the vendor, so it will be calculating here automatically whatever the percentage. This is the amount which we are going to pay to the vendor. Okay, after entering that all things, click on the post option. Okay, so once you can click on the post, so the invoicing will be getting posted here. Okay, so in that way you can handle the issue related to the tax procedure. Okay, if you can go and check once again, okay, into the purchase order history tab, click on the other purchase order. We are just going to refresh. So initially we are only done the GR for this purchase order. Right now the invoice getting posted here. Okay, you can double click on that into the purchase order history. So our problem will be solved. In that way, you can do the changes of the tax procedure if any kind of issues will become. Okay, that's it. Thank you, all of you.